Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. Today's altcoin, gold, and silver price predictions are ready, along with our latest trading signals. Support the channel and unlock exclusive signals, trade setups, and member-only content by joining our Patreon today. Now, let's jump into the analysis. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This is not financial advice.